Hey everybody, Jason from Kraftwerks here. We got a RZR XP engine still on our engine dyno. If you saw in our last episode, we were testing out our new Extreme RR single exhaust. We made right at 123 horsepower just bolting on our exhaust. So what we got here today is a completely stock RZR XP 1000 engine. It's got our Extreme RR exhaust on it. We're gonna bolt on our base Supercharger Kit and get you some numbers on that. Let's see what we can do. Our base Supercharger Kit's made to work with a completely stock engine, so there's no opening it up, having to swap out pistons, rods, or head studs. Bolt it on, 91 pump gas, and let it eat. Let's check it out. All right, so we just made some really good horsepower and it sounded awesome with that exhaust. Made right at 160 horsepower right there, so that's a 50 horsepower gain over the factory. That's great for just a bolt-on system running 91 pump gas. For you guys that want to take it up to the next level, we are offering rods, pistons, head studs, and cams for you guys that aren't happy with that 50 horsepower gain and you want to see even more. So that way you can crank up the boost and make sure you keep your reliability in check. So for all you XP 1000 owners out there that have had these for a while now and you're bored of the power, this is a great option, a very cost-effective option to bolt on some serious power without having to worry about reliability and emptying your pockets. This will take you right up to that RZR turbo level where you were probably thinking about going, but you just didn't have the funds at the time. Don't give up on it, bolt this on and enjoy your machine again. So our RZR XP 1000 Supercharger Kit, it was the first one we ever brought to market, so you know that this has been proven and tested for many years now. With that, these horsepower numbers are letting you know that you're going to be putting right around the same horsepower as the RZR XP Turbo from the factory. So it's going to bring your entry level side-by-side up to the next level. Make sure you go to KraftwerksUSA.com today, get your Extreme RR exhaust and your Supercharger on order now. Kraftwerks!